Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA. Today we have a topic called how to activate or repair a plugin in ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, plugins are add-ons that enable the additional functionalities on the platform like ITSM, HRSD, Discovery, or Performance Analytics. Like activating or repairing a plugin ensures that all related tables, scripts, and configurations are properly installed and working. Like this topic helps learners to understand how to activate the plugins from system definition, the plugins module, and the difference between active and inactive and the pending plugins. Let's go to the PDA and show you how to activate or repair a plugin which are already existing in ServiceNow instance. Generally, click on filter navigator. If I type plugins here, go for plugins, and if I open any existing plugin here, let's go with typing any agile development. Click on the search button and it shows the related parts here, like which are already there and which to be installed, and everything will be shown here. If you want to repair or activate, we have another way to do that. Like if you go for install, we have something called as this family plugins. Let's open this agile development plugin, and then we'll see a option to repair or activate. You'll see an option called repair here. Just click on this repair. If you want to repair it, just click on repair. It will ensure that if any plugins activation and repair are essential for enabling ServiceNow features safely and efficiently while maintaining the system stability. Okay, this is a one way to repair a plugin, and I'll show you how to activate the plugins which are in inactive state in ServiceNow. Okay, let's close this. You'll see the successfully repaired read only rules for agile development 2.0. Okay, just click on close, and let me show you with the main part. Click on filter navigator, type v underscore plugin dot list. It will show the list of system plugins in ServiceNow instance. You'll see almost all 1396 plugins are there, which comes under the system plugins. And right now you'll see the status of these plugins are active right now. Okay, let's go to the next page. Let's see which are inactive. Yeah, you'll see these two are inactive. Okay, and just click on this part, right click on inactive, click on filter out or show matching. It will show how many plugins are in inactive state. Okay, I want to activate this plugin called this action status automation. Open this plugin, and we have a option called related link which allows you to activate or repair. Click on this activate or repair button, and which allows you to make this active. Click on active button, and which will activate the inactive plugins in your ServiceNow instance. Okay, we need to wait for some time or couple of seconds to activate the inactive plugin. After activation of this plugin, we'll get some three buttons like to check the logs of the plugin and to check the plugins of the system plugins, and along with uh, the close and reload form. Just click on view logs. It will show the logs of this activation of this plugin called action status automation. Click on this view log button, and it will show the list of logs regarding this plugin activation part. You'll see these are the logs of this active action status automation plugin. Okay, let's go back, click on all. I'll again go with the plugins, click on filter navigator, v underscore plugin dot list, and right now we have seen like how to activate the inactive plugin, and you'll see if you go for the next part. If you want to check it, what is the name of the plugin? The action one. Let's go with the action. Search it. You will see action status automation is active right now, which was inactive earlier. Okay. Let's go and how to repair the active plugin in ServiceNow instance. Let me open any plugin. Let's go with this plugin called Catalog iframe, and we have an option called activate or repair. For already plugins which are active, it will make repair in the regarding the plugin. If it is inactive, which makes inactive as active plugin. Just click on this active or repair, and we have a button called repair here. Just click on repair button, and it will repair the plugin with the related things, and it will be repaired in the backend with couple of seconds. Okay, we need to wait for some time, and we have the same buttons called view logs along with the view plugins along with close and reload form. Okay, as we have seen for the same like activating the plugin which is already inactive, you'll see the same thing like view logs, view plugin list, and close and reload form. If you click on view and plugin list, and it will show the list of plugins in ServiceNow instance called as the system plugins. I thought you understand this topic, and that's it for today. Signing off, Sharath Chandra, your ServiceNow architect. Jai Hind.